Good morning. Do you want to say hi to Auntie Shelby? Look over here, Munchkin. Hi. Say hi, Auntie Shelby. Say I'm a big stretcher. Oh, say hi. Oh, you're going to do a cross-eyed. She's going to think you're a funny-looking baby. She's not going to believe Mama when Mama says, "You're so beautiful." Big stretch. Hi. Hi. Say hi, Auntie. Say hi, Auntie. Oh. Say, I love you, Auntie Shelby. I can't wait for you to come home. Can you say hi to her? Ooh. Ooh. Look at how big I am. Big girl.